Hello. Today, me and my group are going to be presenting the Catapult presentation. I'm Dario, and let me get y'all started. Basically, what is our catapult? Our catapult is designed and was created to go along with the criteria which was presented to us by the project administration. Our problem statement was to design a catapult using materials and prior knowledge of engineering to create something that satisfies the criteria, and that's what we did. We created a catapult which is efficient, safe, and affordable, which is going to get the job done and take us to victory.
All right, hello, I'm Jack Sheets, and I'll be going over project management. So in this project, we began by first establishing the goals and tasks that were needed to be accomplished. And after this, we ordered all our goals and organized to see what was the best way to accomplish them. And then we all began our designs of the catapult and met up again to agree on the final design. We then all set tasks each week and managed each other to make sure all work got done in time for us to meet the required deadlines. Although many of us had different schedules, we all adapted to create a plan that would benefit us all, in which the catapult would be created and designed in a timely fashion.
This is Nathan. And so for the engineering of this catapult, we based it off of three things: tension, converting of energy, and projectile motion. For the tension, we used the surgical tubing to create tension on the catapult's arm so that it could throw the beanbag 25 feet into the cornhole. By using converting of energy, we convert potential energy of the arm being held back by the surgical tubing, and we turn that into kinetic energy whenever the arm is released and the tension is released. For projectile motion, we used all of the basic kinetic, the kinematic, what are they called? We used all of the basic kinematic equations in order to find the best angle and the best height and dimensions for this catapult so that it could throw the beanbag the perfect amount of feet that is desired.
Good evening. My name is William Walker, and I will be talking about the construction of this catapult. And now the topics I will cover are the base, the surgical tubing placement, and the adjusting angle. So for the base, we built a base of 30 inches deep, and it was 15 inches wide with a height of 22 inches. And with that, we were able to successfully utilize every bit of it with using it as a weight to, whenever it launched, it would keep it grounded so it wouldn't move. And for the surgical tubing, we placed holes on either side, and we would put the surgical tubing through it and use dowels to wrap the tubing around it and twist it to create tension. Then for the adjusting angle, we have 4 different holes for each distance you want. And you can also adjust the tension of the surgical tubing to adjust it in that way as well.
This is Nathan again. For the safety of our catapult, we decided to use a release point where we would tie a string around the release point so that whenever the catapult is at full tension and at its max potential energy, we can stand away from the catapult and pull the string in order to release the catapult safely so that it can fling the beanbag that 25 feet without any of us being near it. That way, it maximized everything being safe and no one would get hurt.
Okay. And in our conclusion, I'm Dario again. And basically, we took all the information we gathered and all the experiments we've done to create our catapult. Although it took many challenges and we faced many problems, we used everything we've learned and everything we'll continue to learn to build our catapult, and now it works amazing. Our catapult has many strengths, including an adjustable force, which will allow it to compete in the precision as well as compete in the distance. And I think that because we did use all the engineering knowledge we know, as well as the materials we could and were provided, we solved the problem which was presented to us by creating this efficient, affordable, and reliable catapult. Thank you.